जब से मिला तेरा साया भाया, मुझे हर बार तू भाया लाया, सपने हजार तू लाया, ऐसे ऐसे हाँ ऐसे 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 जैसे आया। जब से है यार तू आया छाया, बन के है प्यार तू छाया लाया, सपने हजार तू लाया, ऐसे ऐसे हाँ ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे।
सच करके मेरे सपने सच करके, कहाँ चल दी बच करके, टच करके दिल मेरा क्यों स्क्रैच किया रे। कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे, साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे।
जली में जहाँ कभी घर से सर से, चुनरी कहाँ उड़ी सर से, डर से निकली ये जान मेरी डर से, ऐसे ऐसे हाँ ऐसे 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 जैसे बरसे घटा कहीं बरसे तर से, मेरे अरमां सभी तर से डर से निकली ये जान मेरी डर से, ऐसे ऐसे हाँ ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे।
कट करके सीने से दिल कट करके, कहाँ चल दी बच करके, कट करके दिल कहाँ फिर पैच किया रे। कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे, साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे, साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे, साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे।
क्या यार तुम लोग?
मैं नहीं आ रहा। अरे कितना ना
रिलैक्स चल, वरना मैं अकेले कर रही हूँ।
चल तू जा भाई, तू जा जा।
सुन साथिया माहिया, बरसा दे इश्का की स्याहिया, रंग जाऊं रे हाँ रे, मैं तुझ पे मैं झर जाऊं हाँ रे, पिया बस तेरी मैं हो, झूले तो खरी मैं
मैं नहीं तू कहीं जा रहा है? सुनो, watch this.
मैं रेत सी बूंद का जरिया, तू पा के तुझे भीग जाऊं रे, मैं रेत सी बूंद का जरिया, तू पा के तुझे भीग जाऊं रे,
मैं तर जाऊं दरिया ये तर जाऊं जी।
Hi Chakra, good morning. Morning. Yeah, you're on mute. You're on mute. You're on mute. Yeah.
Yeah. Good morning. There is a borewell is going here since last night, so there will be a sound will be there. I'm just telling.
Okay. No problem. No problem. Yes. Yes. And Shubha told like she's joining in 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Right now you're in Hyderabad, right, Chakra?
Yeah, I'm in Hyderabad only.
Okay. So how the like it's working from home and still the cases are rising in Hyderabad. So are you taking care enough?
Yeah, work from home only. We are not at all moving from out of office. I'm in room. We are strictly insisted not to leave from home.
Okay. Good. Great. So Hyderabad is such a place. I took few trainings there itself.
Okay.
Okay. So Chakra, have you shared your songs on the group?
Yeah, songs I have selected. Okay, just a minute.
Yeah, Chakra. Sorry,
Yeah. So I have selected the song. I'll share you this evening. Last week itself I selected. It is the only song selection, right?
Yes, that's it. Like for whatever the two songs, like you just wanted to dance, so I just wanted to take that. Why? Because if you ask like why the songs you are asking means like you people should. I just wanted to include you people in some of the live songs. Anyway, for the songs that we knew already that we are regularly doing, so it will be easy for me. Like the same moments I can teach you people, but it is not like that. If you select your own song, then even I'm going to take that one as a challenge and bringing out new steps. So like dance instructors, you are there in the screen itself, and we are doing the steps. That's it.
Sure, no problem. I selected. I'll share that link. This once the session is over, two songs are selected. I share you the link. Sure.
No problem. No problem.
Yeah.
So today, like the agenda will be like warm up, and then previous week whatever we have done. Okay, hip hop is there, right? We are going to revise them and 54 moments just one more time, and then today like importance of expressions and the contemporary part, and I'm going to highlight on that. Okay. Hi Subha, good morning. Okay, so then let's start. Great. So 1, 2, we'll go with the warm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Side bendings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The same with the stretched hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, side bendings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back bendings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now Trikonasana, side bendings and cross bendings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now cross bendings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the waist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the knee bendings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knee rotation. 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 2, 3, 4, 5. March fast. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kickings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Complete body stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Okay. So now I'm going to show, let's revise first, like our previous 54 movements, and then last hip hop basics, what we have done. Okay. Hello Angeline, good morning. So just now we completed the warm up part. So now we are revising the 54 and then last week's hip hop movements. Okay.
Good morning. Sorry, I am late.
No problem, no problem. Just joining. Great. So what is 1, 2, 3, 4? Okay, now this time let's not do slowly. Okay, with the medium and speed, let's completely revise all the 54. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13, 14. Okay, 15, 16, 17, 18, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 25, 26, 27, 28, 27, 28. Okay, so 29 and 30, 29, 30, 29, 30, 31, 32, 31, 32, 33, 34, 33, 34, 35, 36, 35, 36, 37, 38, 37, 38, 39 and 40, 39, 40, 39, 40, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay, 46, 47 rounding movements. 46, 47, 46, 47, 46, 47. Okay, and 48 and 49. Very good. Okay, so far and near. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, we can walk backside as well. Okay, and the 50th one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there is the 50th one. And what is our S1? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. S2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. S3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. S4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Great. Okay, and for the coordination part, we have done one part, that 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. In that way. Okay, and then coming to the hip hop, basic bounce. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so and then we have made right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, so completely based on this, we have done so many things on the last week. Okay, so right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, and one more thing is that right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center. Okay, and next one is back, front, staging. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so and then going right, right, going left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Okay, and one more, this 6 and 7 we have improvised. Right, there is no gap like that, we have just did. Okay, so like this, in a simple way we just did. Okay, that 26 and 27. Okay, so 26, 27 generally this is the one where there is lot of gap is there. Right, now we are doing the same thing with no gap, so 1, 2, 1, 2, and we can keep hands like this or in the pocket. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. In that way. Got it? Fine everyone. Good. So these are the ones we have majorly practiced previously. Okay, so now today I just wanted to observe few things based on the contemporary part. I just wanted to touch base of contemporary. Okay, for example, everyone knows what is storytelling, and how to express emotions. Okay, so for example, if I ask, there are 10 students, 10 kids, okay, those who are having age less than 10 to 12 years. If I ask, show me how to cry in different ways. Means, okay, so one person they'll do like this, simply like this, and one more person like this, and one person like this, and one. So they'll not show their face at all. One, and few more people like the complete, they'll not restrict anything, completely, like they want to show their tears. So like with the open face they'll cry. So not only the crying part, wherever we see, for each and every one 2 to 3 expressions will be there. Like in 2 to 3 ways we can communicate. So I just wanted to highlight on few things where I'm going to show you like two songs now. Please try to observe what's happening in their faces. Okay, don't see their leg movements or hand movements. Just see their faces. Just to see their faces. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. Let me know if you're seeing my screen. Are you seeing my screen? Okay, good, good.
क्या यार तुम लोग
मैं नहीं आ रहा। अरे कितना नाचा है। रिलैक्स
चल वरना मैं अकेले कर रही हूँ
चल चल तू जा भाई तू जा जा
साथिया माहिया बरसा दे इश्क़ की स्याहिया रंग रंग जाऊं रे हाँ रे मैं तुझ पे मैं झर झर जाऊं हाँ रे पिया बस तेरी मैं झूले तो खरी
Yes, in particular song where the contemporary is happening in such a fast manner, but I requested you people concentrate on the facial expression. So how many of you already observed the facial expressions? Whatever the tough movement, whatever the hard movements that are happening over the body, but there is no leaving of smile from the faces. Okay, they are not showing that stiffness in their faces. Am I right? Have you anybody observed that? Am I audible? Am I audible? Everyone? Yes. Okay. So, okay. Let me show another example. Let me show you another example. Yes, here it is.
Watch my biggest
साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे टच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके कहाँ चल दी बच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके दिल से दिल अटैच किया रे कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे
Okay. So now a small exercise for our team. Okay, small exercise for our team. How many of you are good at singing? Okay, it's okay. So how?
Bathroom singers.
Sorry, Shubha.
Bathroom singers.
No problem. Angeline, how about your singing?
No, not that good.
Okay. So no problem. It's if it is bad singing also no problem. Okay, let's identify two songs. Let's identify two songs. Shubha, what's your favorite song to sing?
Favorite song. Like any bhajans.
Okay. So
Uh,
okay. Yeah, a good example you have taken. Okay. So one bhajan and now choose one more song from movie now. From movie songs. So
Okay.
you have selected what a beauty, right? Okay. So now let's consider these two songs. Now, can Shubha or Samir or Angeline or Chakra, so this bhajan song and also this what a beauty with the same expression can we sing?
No.
Okay, with the same module we can sing?
No.
they're having their different tempo, right? So in that way, Angeline Chakra also kindly assess yourself, like if you see two songs, okay, so two songs, then the feel, the thing, and a lot of things are different when compared to that two songs, okay. So here, today, why I'm trying to explain this one is, when we are talking about contemporary dance is for the people who just wanted to express their emotion, who just wanted to tell their story in the form of dance, okay. So this is in this way we are giving the importance of contemporary part. Okay, so in Sari Ki Falsa, okay, in that one, if you observe, the hero is showing to the sari of that heroine, okay, and then Kabhi Chod Diya Dil. Okay, so during that time he is taking your heart out, he is taking his heart out, and then he is bowling. He is bowling that heart, and then Kabhi catch kiya re, then he is catching. Okay, he is bowling. Okay, then heroine is batting that, and then he is catching that. Okay, so and one more point, if you see, touch karke mere sapne sach karke. Okay, so with the expressions they are giving. Now let us assume that hero and heroine is not giving any expression and they are doing dance. Okay, so please add something. Okay, so now next 1 hour, what we are going to do? Shall we live, choreograph live for two songs? Okay, so let's take two songs. One is this Sari Ki Falisa song, and one more I'll take Shubha's favorite song, like What a Beauty song. And already your kids are already started doing Shubha. Okay, okay, then we are doing that. Yesterday we started that live choreograph there from there. Okay, so we are doing that now. Ready? Okay, so simply some simple tips. What are the sequence of movements, the sets that we are taking? Kindly observe. Okay, kindly observe. That is one thing. And why we are doing like this, like unlike other choreographers, I'm not practicing for the songs already and I'm not doing. Okay, let's do it live, where I just want you people also are in the part of choreography. And I'm going to ask you, okay, instead of this step, what is the other step can we keep from the 54 movements? Like that. Okay, so that is how Shubha's kids in the last class they did. Okay, so in that batch, sir, in the place of that movement, let's keep this movement. Let's keep 25. Let's keep 26. Let's keep 19 and 20. In that way, our whole batch is contributed towards that. Okay, good. Okay, so now, any questions so far? No questions. Okay, no problem. So first, we are going with Sari Ki Falisa. Okay. Great.
साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। टच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके कहाँ चल दी, बच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके दिल से दिल अटैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे।
Okay, so like few new movements I just wanted to share with you people today. Okay, so we know this step, right? We know this step. Okay, so in the similar way, with the same body movement, we are developing one new movement today. What is that means? Okay, so kindly keep your hands like this. And now you just open your left. Okay, so now, so this is 1, this is 2. That's it. Okay. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, don't get confused. It is 19 and 20. Don't get confused. Okay, so it is like this. Okay. Like this, I just wanted to include this one. Okay, and the very beginning step, what I did is the 6 and 7 one we practiced it, right? That one only I am using. Okay, that one only I am using. So at the beginning of the thing, great. And in between, to compensate the music, let's use 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, so then chod diya dil. So dil is there. I have dropped that out. Okay, and then I'm trying to catch. Great. So till this point, let's practice. Till this point, let's practice.
साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। टच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके कहाँ चल दी, बच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके दिल से दिल अटैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे।
Okay, so now one more step I have introduced already. What is that? One more step I have introduced already. What is that? Okay, so please apply Fair and Lovely to your buffalo. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, or applying some paint to your wall. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so like that. So now, so if I am doing continuously this one 8 count, it is not looking good. If the same step for 4 times, it is fine. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more time again, it is looking odd. So that's why let me, like in our warm up, the waist rotation is there, right? Waist rotation. So now let's bring that. Okay. In that way. Great. So now let's practice till this point.
साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। टच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके कहाँ चल दी, बच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके दिल से दिल अटैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे।
Okay, now one more new step, one more new moment. What is that? Okay, so like in 21, 22, what we did? 21, 22. So 21, 22, right? So 21. So from waist part to the chest part, 21, we are pointing on our toes, on our toes, on our toes. Now here what we are doing, the initial position is here, the chest part. Opening, closing, opening, opening, open, close, open, close. So now where I am pointing it out? Now I am pointing on heel, not on toe. I am pointing on heel. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So to compensate that music, what I'm doing now? Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, so good. So now let's practice completely.
साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। टच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके कहाँ चल दी बच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके दिल से दिल अटैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। टच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके कहाँ चल दी बच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके दिल से दिल अटैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। टच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके कहाँ चल दी बच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके दिल से दिल अटैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे।
like I just identified a few gaps. What are them? I'm explaining. Listen carefully. So like once we did sari ki fall sa kabhi match kiya re kabhi chhod diya. Okay, mera dil kabhi chhod diya dil catch kiya re, like 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then some violin music is coming, right? So that's why I'm doing 1 2 1 2. I'm doing our S3 S4 movement is there, right? So for that one I just gave the violin touch. Okay, so that even in the movie they use that musical instrument. Okay, so I'm using the same. Okay, okay, and then टच करके मेरे सपने सच करके कहा चल दी टच. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. That's it. Okay, so after that one, so we are taking one rotation, right? So one rotation, right? So during that time beat is coming. So for that what I'm doing is I'm just doing like the shake. So the shake I'm doing. So after the shake I'm continuing with this one. Okay, so now how I am saying, just observe one more time. Kindly observe one more time.
साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे टच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके कहाँ चल दी बच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके दिल से दिल अटैच किया रे कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे
Yes. Okay, so now just take just 1 minute of break. Let's have a small class test. Let's have a small class test. Great. Angelin, I hope you are following. In between, I'm seeing your screen having multiple lines. I hope everything is fine.
Yeah, my internet connection is getting distorted. That's one.
Okay, okay. So were you able to follow like what we done?
Yeah, but your video was clear. Only mine was not there.
Okay, okay. Then it's fine. Then it's fine. Thank you so much. Okay, great. So now in today's song, like what is set number 1? What is set number 1? Let's understand the sequence. What is set number 1 in today's? That's the improvisation step of 6 and 7. Yes. Okay. The improvisation part of 6 and 7. Okay. Then what is set number 2? What is the next one? So the new one. Okay. So like we have practiced it, right? So open like that. So we just did. Okay. Good. Okay. And what's next? What's next? Yes. Kabhi chhod diya dil and our heart. And then we are catching them. Okay, perfect. My laptop is charging. Great. So that's what we did. And what is next? What is next? Immediately once we done that, so there is violin music is coming, so that like we are doing that violin music. Okay, by taking the help of S3. Okay, S3 where the leg movement is there, right? That leg movement we are using and the violin. Great. So now what's next? Yes, again Sari Ki Falisa is coming. That lyric is coming again. So during that time 25 26 26. Okay, so 2 times the 2 we are doing bit slowly. Okay. Okay, we are a bit slowly. And here, if the waveform is coming or not, no issue. Waveform is coming or not, no issue. So we are just try to just match with the music. Okay, try to just match with the music. Great. And then in the reverse way, again we are pulling from here and pushing in this way. Okay, and then touch karke. Okay, so this touch karke in multiple ways we can do. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, few people like if there are like more number of girls are there, like to give the balance or like only to that people. So touch karke, mere sapne touch karke. Okay, so I'll try to touch them on their cheeks. Okay, so here I just improvised that. So to bring more like widerness. So 1, 2 and touching our thighs. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Yes, and in both the directions where left corner we are doing the same and then right corner we are doing the same. And then what we are doing, one tilt. Okay, and we are doing one tilt. So after tilt, so there is a vibration is coming, right? So I am just shaking myself. Okay, and then 11 and 12 for 4 count. 11, 12, 13, 14. And then again Sari ki falsa is coming. So we are having this one. So Sari ki falsa kabhi match kiya re. And then kabhi chod diya dil. So the waist movement. Okay. So the okay, let me call it as the hip movement. So what happened? I just wanted to share one small comedy where the other batch, one boy is there named Rajesh. Okay, small 10 years old boy. Whenever I'm saying like waist movement, then he when I ask like what any questions, then sir, you are telling that movement is waist. Then why are we doing? Okay, so this is the question he asked. Okay, I'm telling that WAST waist. Okay, so no problem. So that waist movement we are doing. Okay. So that is how we are compensating. And next, the immediate music, what we are doing, the immediate music, I just shown you like one more new step with the pointer on the heel, pointing on the heel. In 21, you can relate the same to 21, 22. In 21, 22, we are pointing on the toes. Okay, so we are pointing on the toes and bringing the heel inside. But here we are pointing on the heel and taking the toe outside. Okay, so maybe eventually we are mixing up these things and we are doing. Okay, so now let me play a song. And let me observe you people how you are doing that. Okay, so kindly do. If it is mistake also, kindly go ahead. I am going to identify and I'll tell you.
साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। टच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके कहाँ चल दी बच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके दिल से दिल अटैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे।
Okay, so now let me take one more song.
ఏ వాటే 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 బ్యూటీ నువ్వు యాడా ఉంటే ఆనే ఊటీ ఏ వాటే 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 బ్యూటీ నువ్వు యాడా ఉంటే ఆనే ఊటీ తిప్ప తిప్పుతుంటే నడుమే నాటి నా కండ్లే చేసే కంట్రీ డ్యూటీ నువ్వు దగ్గరకొస్తాంటే సల్లగా సలి పెడతాందే దూరం వెళ్ళిపోతాంటే మస్తు ఉడకబోస్తాందే టైటు హక్కిచ్చి టాటూలా అంటుకోరాదే రాదే అదే ట్వింకిల్ 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 లిటిల్ స్టార్ తెరిచుంచైవే పోరి ఫ్రంట్ డోర్ ఏ వాటే 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 బ్యూటీ నువ్వు యాడా ఉంటే ఆనే ఊటీ ఏ బాటే 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 బ్యూటీ నువ్వు యాడా ఉంటే ఆనే ఊటీ తిప్పుతుంటే నడుమే నాటి నా కండ్లే చేసే కంట్రీ డ్యూటీ నువ్వు దగ్గరకొస్తాంటే సల్లగా సలి పెడతాందే దూరం వెళ్ళిపోతాంటే మస్తు ఉడకబోస్తాందే టైటు హక్కిచ్చి టాటూలా అంటుకోరాదే రాదే అదే ట్వింకిల్ 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 లిటిల్ స్టార్ తెరిచుంచైవే పోరి ఫ్రంట్ డోర్
Okay, so here, so what is the set number 1? I am just using 1, 2, 3, 4 first. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 first, and then I'm using 19, 20 for 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and remaining 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the music is coming. What I did now, right, center, left, center is there, right? I'm just adding this one. Right, center, left, center, like this. Okay, I just added this one. Okay, and then again what again it is coming. So now what I'm doing is 43, 44, 41, 42, and then like this. So I'm starting with the hip rotation and then this one. Okay, so and immediately completing this one. So this one I am using. So this is the one I am using. 29 and 30. 29 and 30. And then 33, 34. I am using 33 and 34. And I just use 31, 32. 31, 32. 31, 32. And whenever the female voice is coming, twinkle, 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 little star, amma ayya intlo evaru leru. So no one is there, like that. So no one is there. I'm just showing with my hand. Okay. And then 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14. Again, I went to a step like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let me play song.
ఏ వాటే 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 బ్యూటీ నువ్వు యాడా ఉంటే ఆనే ఊటీ ఏ బాటే 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 బ్యూటీ నువ్వు యాడా ఉంటే ఆనే ఊటీ తిప్పుతుంటే నడుమే నాటి నా కండ్లే చేసే కంట్రీ డ్యూటీ నువ్వు దగ్గరకొస్తాంటే సల్లగా సలి పెడతాందే దూరం వెళ్ళిపోతాంటే మస్తు ఉడకబోస్తాందే టైటు హక్కిచ్చి టాటూలా అంటుకోరాదే రాదే అదే ట్వింకిల్ 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 లిటిల్ స్టార్ తెరిచుంచైవే పోరి ఫ్రంట్ డోర్ ఏ వాటే 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 బ్యూటీ నువ్వు యాడా ఉంటే ఆనే ఊటీ ఏ బాటే 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 బ్యూటీ నువ్వు యాడా ఉంటే ఆనే ఊటీ తిప్పుతుంటే నడుమే నాటి నా కండ్లే చేసే కంట్రీ డ్యూటీ నువ్వు దగ్గరకొస్తాంటే సల్లగా సలి పెడతాందే దూరం వెళ్ళిపోతాంటే మస్తు ఉడకబోస్తాందే టైటు హక్కిచ్చి టాటూలా అంటుకోరాదే రాదే అదే ట్వింకిల్ 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 లిటిల్ స్టార్ తెరిచుంచైవే పోరి ఫ్రంట్ డోర్
So what is set number 1 here? What is set number 1 here? Our 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, and then immediately what so 1924 counts we are doing. 1924 counts we are doing, and then 21 22 23 24, that movement we are doing 21 to 24, and then we are mixing up this 27 28 leg movement or hip hop movement, and then rotation 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, good. Okay, and then again what again it is coming, so that 1 2. So yeah, Shubha, here we are not starting from the top now. Okay, so we are starting from the front. So 43 44 41 42. Okay, and after doing that, in the lyrics it is coming nuvu, means you it is coming. So I am just showing you, okay, you, and then making a flower blossom and then doing this. So while I am doing this, I am holding my hands there only and then rotating my hip. Okay, and from there I am starting this one. Okay, and I am starting that one. So immediately after completing that one again, so our 29 30. So నువ్వు దగ్గరకు వస్తా అంటే మస్తుగా చలి పెడతాందే దూరం వెళ్ళిపోతా అంటే మస్తు ఉడకపోస్తాంది. Okay, in that one. So immediately after that one 33 34 we are doing, and then 31 32 we are doing, and then female voice is coming, twinkle 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 little star. So during that time we are using our 37 38. Okay, so 37 38 legs, and then at the end I am doing like this. Why? Because in the lyrics it is coming that no one is there at home. So in the lyrics it is coming like that. So that's the reason. Yes, no one is there like that. I am just showing with the hands. Okay, so and then 13 14 13 14 13 14 13 14. This one total 8 count will come. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So total 8 count will come, and then at the end, okay, at the end the same again, tanakku tadnaku tanakku tadnaku. So that is coming. So that is the reason we are using right center left center center center. Okay, so like that is repeating for 2 times. So to show the variation, instead of first time I am doing like this, second time I am doing like this, like a wave, like a fish. Okay, so So right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center. Okay. So now let's practice two more times. Let's practice two more times, and you can observe clearly the same thing.
ఏ వాటే 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 బ్యూటీ నువ్వు యాడా ఉంటే ఆనే ఊటీ ఏ బాటే 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 బ్యూటీ నువ్వు యాడా ఉంటే ఆనే ఊటీ తిప్పుతుంటే నడుమే నాటి నా కండ్లే చేసే కంట్రీ డ్యూటీ నువ్వు దగ్గరకొస్తాంటే సల్లగా సలి పెడతాందే దూరం వెళ్ళిపోతాంటే మస్తు ఉడకబోస్తోందే టైటు హక్కిచ్చి టాటూలా అంటుకోరాదే రాదే అదే ట్వింకిల్ 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 లిటిల్ స్టారు తెరిచుంచైవే పోరి ఫ్రంట్ డోరు ఏ వాటే 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 బ్యూటీ నువ్వు యాడా ఉంటే ఆనే ఊటీ ఏ బాటే 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 బ్యూటీ నువ్వు యాడా ఉంటే ఆనే ఊటీ తిప్పుతుంటే నడుమే నాటి నా కండ్లే చేసే కంట్రీ డ్యూటీ నువ్వు దగ్గరకొస్తాంటే సల్లగా సలి పెడతాందే దూరం వెళ్ళిపోతాంటే మస్తు ఉడకబోస్తోందే టైటు హక్కిచ్చి టాటూలా అంటుకోరాదే రాదే అదే ట్వింకిల్ 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 లిటిల్ స్టారు తెరిచుంచైవే పోరి ఫ్రంట్ డోరు
Okay. So now in the sitting posture, let's revise the movements quickly in the sitting posture itself. Okay. So now let's do that.
ఏ వాటే 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 బ్యూటీ నువ్వు యాడా ఉంటే ఆనే ఊటీ ఏ బాటే 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 బ్యూటీ నువ్వు యాడా ఉంటే ఆనే ఊటీ తిప్పుతుంటే నడుమే నాటి నా కండ్లే చేసే కంట్రీ డ్యూటీ నువ్వు దగ్గరకొస్తాంటే సల్లగా సలి పెడతాందే దూరం వెళ్ళిపోతాంటే మస్తు ఉడకబోస్తోందే టైటు హక్కిచ్చి టాటూలా అంటుకోరాదే రాదే అదే ట్వింకిల్ 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 లిటిల్ స్టారు తెరిచుంచైవే పోరి ఫ్రంట్ డోరు
Okay. So let's have a 5 minutes break. Let's have a 5 minutes break. Great. So let's have some water and let's take some few breath ins and breath outs. Okay. So then a few more expressions. Let's see. Few more expressions point of view. Let's see of some few songs. Okay. Great. Great. So let's take 5 minutes. Okay, I'm back. I'm back and great. So please let me know if you are seeing my screen. Now let's see, like in real life song how it is happening. Let's see. Okay, in real life song means in original video how it is happening. Let's see.
ఏ వాటే 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 బ్యూటీ నువ్వు యాడా ఉంటే ఆనే ఊటీ ఏ వాటే 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 బ్యూటీ నువ్వు యాడా ఉంటే ఆనే ఊటీ తిప్పుతుంటే నడుమే నాటి నా కండ్లే చేసే కంట్రీ డ్యూటీ నువ్వు దగ్గరకొస్తాంటే చల్లగా చలి పెడతాంటే దూరం వెళ్ళిపోతాంటే మస్తు ఉడకబోస్తాందే తైటు హక్కిచ్చి టాటూలా అంటుకోరాదే రాదే అదే ట్వింకిల్ 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 లిటిల్ స్టార్ తెరిచుంచైతే పోరి ఫ్రంట్ డోరు
Okay, so before discussing further, Shubha, like you are from Bangalore, right? So basically from Bangalore. Okay, how do you know this song? Maybe like with the same hero heroine or with the different hero heroines? Some other song is there?
No, I know all 6 languages and I will watch all the movies.
Great. Okay.
All other languages also.
That's good. So I just wanted to ask the same question. Why? Because yesterday Shobit was also mentioning like one Telugu song out of this thing. So I just thought of like how.
His mother is Telugu only.
Okay. Got it. So like why I have shown you the video. If you see the video, like why they have used cycle in the video. Okay, the big cycle. What like that. Why big cycle? Okay, and then. So during that time, if you see like what she is doing, what heroine is doing Padmasan and then doing that movement. Okay, so shall we try that? Shall we try? No, let's try. What's there in that? We know how to make Padmasan, right? We know how to make Padmasan, and let's try to do that. Okay, so let's increase our body balance. Okay, so this is Padmasan. Okay, initially what we need to do is try to balance. Okay, try to balance your body in the air with the 2 hands. Okay, based out of 2 hands. Okay, so just be in the air. Okay, so by keeping like this in the air, and then try to touch the knees. Try to touch the knee points with the floor, with the floor. Okay, see here like this. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, no problem, Shubha, no problem. Okay, so the basic thing. So first we need to do this Padmasan first. Okay, so that is the major thing. So she did that. Okay, so why we are practicing this? Because people are telling it in Telugu, like those who have seen that one, and I have seen the expression of Chakra also today while coming that movement. So some smile is coming out of his face. Means like that is how it is attracting the audience, right? Okay, so Padmasan and then the side hands. I'm just trying to elevate myself. Okay. In that way. Anyway, it will not come on day 1. Okay, for me it took 3 days. Okay, so eventually we'll get that. Okay, No problem. Nice try. Nice try. Nice try. Okay. Okay.
Thank
So
you. Actually, many days no, I tried, but I couldn't do Padmasana. Today I could do it.
yes, that's what. Like if we are doing regularly only, we can achieve few things. Okay. So the point I just wanted to make in Sari Ki Fall is a video song while you are seeing, there are some background themes like why, if I ask why choreographers are using such locations, bicycles, okay, background people. There are so many people we are seeing at the background, right? Okay, if I ask that question to you, why the background dancers, so many dancers back to hero and heroines, if I ask that question, what you can see, why? Any guess is fine.
I think to cover up the gaps.
Okay, cover up the gaps and especially like stage usage. Stage usage.
Complete utilization of the
Complete utilization of the space. That is one thing. That is one thing. And there is one more. Okay, so there is a director Sukumar. Okay, Sukumar is one director. Is there in Telugu? He explains that whenever the background dancers are there, okay, clue is there. The Telugu people, like he is pointing out Telugu people, but I can relate to everyone. I can relate to all languages. People will look at the other people as well, and if there are background dancers, the hero and heroine, they will, why, because they need to like they are the main persons to expose, right? So everyone wants to see the hero and heroine, so like to make that as well, they are bringing those people. Okay, so there are few scenarios where the background dancers beat the original person. Okay, so anyways, so that is the concept. Like in contemporary, while he is riding a bicycle, what a beauty. Okay, he is praising the beauty. Okay, he is praising the beauty, like he just wanted to express that emotion. And if you're observing the whole thing, the expression between the boys and girls and between the hero and heroine, okay, so they are just matching with the their lyrics, with the lyrics and the expression. So that's the reason I just wanted to give your songs. Okay, see, for example, you know the song like Chaya 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 Chaya. You know that thing, right? So now if we use our 29 and 30, okay, if we use our 29 and 30, Chaya 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 Chaya. Okay, so chaya 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 chaya. Okay, so now you know the other song, right? A cheese badi hai mast mast, a cheese badi hai mast. Okay, in that one. Okay, so I'm taking the same music. A cheese badi hai mast mast, a cheese badi hai mast. Okay, the steps are simple, like same. They're similar. We are showing the variation. A cheese badi hai mast mast, a cheese badi hai mast. In that way. Okay, in that way. So now here in our what a beauty song, what we think? నువ్వు దగ్గరకొస్తాంటే చల్లగా సలి పెడతాందే దూరం వెళ్ళిపోతాంటే మస్తు ఉడకబోస్తాందే. So in that way. So beat. Okay, if you see like zing 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 at zing 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 at. Okay, so that song, if you see like zing 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 zigzag zing 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 at zing 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 at zing 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 zing. Okay, so this is one example we just shown, right, where the similar step in different ways. Okay, so like chaya 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 chaya, a cheese badi hai mast, and zing 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 zing. Okay, so here only I am showing in multiple ways. So that is the reason today n number of times we can cry and show. Okay, so crying in this way, and few people like they'll show their tears out. Okay, so in the dance as well, let's try to express in different ways. Okay, so in order to match your own language things, I'm just asking you the songs, and I just wanted your involvement into the songs. That's it. Got it? Any questions? Any questions so far? Okay, it's good that you people. One trick part, okay, where the people are following it or not. How I'll test is just I'll follow my old school technique while I was working as a trainer. Okay, so like trainer of soft skills and the other life skills. Chakra was asking, okay, so can you please share me the recording? Why? Because that link got expired. Okay, so sometimes it's like a test where people are following it or not. Okay, people are following it or not. And few sessions, I don't post the recording at all. I don't post the recording at all, and some batches they will not ask again. Okay, so where is the recording like that? They will not ask. And in the next class, in the next immediate class, I'm going to tell like this. Okay, so how many of you went through the last recording link? So this will be the question, and everyone they'll raise their hand. Okay, everyone they raise their hand. Okay, so then so good. Okay, then my next question will be, obviously there was no link posted. Why you raised your hand? Okay, so it is just like means not pointing out someone. It is also like building up some relationship where the communication is having with priority. Great. Okay, so 4 asanas that we did. The first one Sukhasana, and then Siddhasana, and the third one is Padmasana, and the fourth one is Yoga Mudra. Okay, the fourth one is Yoga Mudra. So far, I have mentioned the benefits of them as well. So tomorrow we are practicing those four things, and we are slightly discussing their benefits as well. Just by looking at them, we'll just revise what are their benefits. Okay, and let's do today's recap. What has happened? Okay, so we have started the day with warm up. Okay, and then 54 steps, 54 movements, and then the coordination movement, this hand part we just tried, and then all hip hop basic movements we have revised, and then we jumped directly into the choreography part. The first song what we have tried is okay, so and then the next one is this one, what a beauty. Okay, so if you see what are the repetitive steps, if you ask, like I can say whatever the new movements that that I have introduced today, in both the songs we have introduced them. Okay, in both the songs we have introduced them. Like I just wanted to introduce one more movement actually, that is this one only, this whatever the movement that we are practicing. So taking hands like this and sprinkling, okay, and then bringing hands like this and sprinkling. So tomorrow we are going to do this one. Okay, I'm just deriving n number of steps from the steps that are existed. Okay, so today while doing so like your brain may think of 19 and 20, or for some people they'll do 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so like 15, 16, 17, 18 straight. Okay, so here we are just opening it, and 15, 16, 17, 18 coming forward and backward, but here we are bending sidewards. Okay, and 19 and 20 it is completely wave. It is completely wave. Here we are just keeping this waist part to the chest part, and this one stiff, very stiff, and there is no like we are not making that as flexible. Okay, so these are the few variations. And thanks for your cooperation. And okay, coming to both the songs. Okay, Sari Ki Falisa, whatever the movements that we did, and this what a beauty song, what happened, I am explaining now. So 80% of the movements I am practicing, so like I am composing, and this 20%, at least 2 people from the team, they will help. Samir, in the place of that moment, can you please keep this? So in this way, people will come out. Okay, so now if you take Sari Ki Falisa, so this song was chosen by Rajesh Iyer sir. He's of 6 to 7:30 batch. So he mentioned, okay, so this, whenever it is starting, what a beauty, and unte ane uti. So this was one step has given by Rajesh and one step is given by Ramesh Kumar. Okay, Ramesh Kumar. So in that way, and if you see even Sorry, that was the song Rajesh and Ramesh is given in the Sare Ki Falisa, and this one yesterday's Shubha. If you see, like Rekha and Indra is joining along with your kids, right? And they were given that. Okay, they were given that information. So in that way, so once you were the other songs are there, right? Even I'm going to ask you people, you can keep your own steps. Okay, so here two things: our version, your version. Our version means the combined version, and the one more is your version. Okay, so that's the only difference. So yesterday, like Shubha, you have commented, right? So one mother and daughter. Okay, so there for Guleba song they have made. So it's totally they have attended all the sessions. Similarly, there are two types. Two parents are there. One is they like Sheila and Meenakshi, and one more is Suraji and Gautam. They're also like mother and son. Till that videos I'm seeing, like I don't know, like they are the parent and kids. Okay, like at the end they have commented the video and they have shared like how they have selected the song. Okay, that's the same thing I'm telling. Our version and your version. Maybe for Shubha, Samir, in the place of what a beauty, some other step is coming into my mind. Can we include that? Yes. Please come up with your idea. Let's include and let's see. Okay, nothing wrong. Okay, so nothing wrong. Even the case with Chakra. Okay, so we can do in that way, and we can improvise the whole things. Great.
No, I was just thinking with that 54 steps, how the dance can be done. When I have seen that no dance, even as you, I also felt like, yeah, we can do no full song with those steps.
Yes, exactly. That's what you have seen even Rekha ma'am, right? Okay, Rekha ma'am, she did in the same way. Okay, and Indra ma'am, she did in the same way. Like we can do. The song selection is important. But in my terminology, not only song. This 54 for any song we can do. That's what we did in our last 5 days. Or I mean 5 day session. We are doing that. I'm playing multiple songs. We are doing the same movements, but with the different rhythms. Good observation, Shubham. So, any questions to Chakra or Shubham?
No, actually, while dancing, finishing one step and coming back to the other is, I think it requires more practice.
Yeah. So that is the that one we are practicing the set movements, right? So this is set 1, this is set 2, like that we are practicing, Shubha. So there we need to sit and also revise. Okay, so that is all the time. That is very, very important. Okay, see, for example, while I was watching the dance shows, okay, like all channels dance shows, like famous dance shows I was watching. If any new thing I was watching. Okay, so then if any new movement is there, very nice movement, graceful movement is there, like they are using their hand, one hand to the right side, one leg to the left side, and they are rotating, then immediately I'll take my mobile out and to my other number of WhatsApp. So I'll just give the keyword, that's it. Okay, right leg top, left leg down, rotation with right hand. So in that way, so that like we can get the new thing. So that's it. Like the creation is very, very important. So all the time, if we on the dance floor without imagination, nothing will happen. So that is the reason I have shared the secret. The secret where it majorly implies on the imagination. Okay, imagination is important. And all the time, trust me, in my 20 years of journey, like for every favorite song, I'll close my eyes, I'll become hero in that particular song. Okay, heroines, back dancers, everyone are same. But in the place of hero, Samir will be there. So that's imagination. How can I able to do that? So we need to go and stand there, sit there, or dance there. Okay. So that imagination is important. I hope you have seen the secret video. But if not, please have that video. Okay. Please have that video. Great. So that's it. It's almost 9. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay. So great, Shubha. Thank you so much. Bye, Chakra. Take care. Be safe.